Good evening. Welcome to the video lecture for the subject Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. In this video lecture, we are going to talk about predictive analytics. The flow of any predictive analytics will be like this. First comes the historical data, to which we will perform statistical algorithms, then go for machine learning techniques. We have to predict our outcome. So what is the future outcome that is to be predicted? And based on this, we'll make informed decisions. So informed decisions means we will try to identify something out of it. So what is that something? It could be trend, it could be pattern, or it could be risk. So now we'll see how the predictive analytics works. It comprises of 5 stages. The first is data collection, data processing, model building, followed by prediction and interpretation, finally continuous improvement. So what is data collection? We'll be gathering data from the past as well as, if required, from the real time. It could come from various sources. So the widely used sources could be records, or it could be sensor data. It could even be customer interactions. Once the data is collected, it has to be processed. So the pre-processing comprises of cleaning, organizing, and transforming data. Why should we do this? To remove errors, and sometimes there will be a lot of inconsistencies, so that should also be removed. The next stage is model building, where we'll be applying appropriate machine learning models, statistical models. Examples, as we have known, regression, decision tree, neural network. Any appropriate machine learning algorithm can be applied to identify or analyze patterns. In the prediction and interpretation stage, you will generate the forecast and will try to find out insights for decision making. Continuous improvement refers to the updation of the models with the new data. It happens over a period of time continuously. Why this is needed? It is needed for better accuracy. So the wider ranges of applications of predictive analytics, it finds a good place in healthcare industry, retail, finance, in weather forecasting, in manufacturing fields. So any of the predictive analytics problem which we will be learning in this unit will follow a skeleton in it. So let us look into the skeleton of the programs. First stage is we have to define the objective. A second will be data collection. Where are we going to collect the data? Usually we'll be using a data set, where my data set is basically a file. It could be of any format. It could be a comma separated value CSV format, or an Excel file, or a DBMS file, any sort. Usually it will be CSV file. Once you have the data, this data we cannot do it directly, so we have to make it suitable for doing a prediction. So the suitability is obtained through data pre-processing. After data pre-processing, we'll be selecting our features and we'll also perform feature engineering. Once our features are clear, ready, then we have to choose our machine learning model. Why? Because based on the data, based on the objective, we have to be very clear what is the model that we have to apply for the given objective and the given data. So once we have decided the model, comes the training and testing phase, where we'll split our data into training set and testing set. So model training, model is getting trained, or it is taught, or the model is learning from the training set of data, and then the performance of the model will be evaluated. Is it working properly? Is it giving the prediction for the objective? And once the model is found okay, we go for deploying the model. And the model is supposed to learn continuously, so it is continuously monitored and gets updated. This will be the skeleton that will be followed in almost all programs which are used in predictive analytics. Thank you.